So who wants to do a little bit of stretching? Maybe anybody's neck ever get tight? Yeah, just, okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Everybody just roll your head around like this. There you go, and go the other way. Awesome. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to eat like baby birds. So you're gonna stick your head up in the air, you're gonna go like this, you're gonna go, Let me see who's gonna do that. Ready, set, go. Nice. Now, have you ever been shopping for Thanksgiving turkey, or have you ever seen somebody at Thanksgiving and they have that like that gobble neck thing going on? So if you actually do this, what's gonna happen is your sternocleidomastoid muscles will actually tighten up and pull back so that you'll lose this. All right, so ready? Now, how many people are gonna try it now? So curious, when you want your kids to display a behavior, do you figure out a way why you want them to do it? Or do you figure out a way how it engages them so that they do it? Do you see the difference? All right, so everybody, let's do some baby birds. Everybody go, let's go, like that. Awesome. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go this way and we're gonna go back and forth a little bit. Nice. All right, now, how many of you feel like your necks are tight? Awesome, make a massage line. I'm teasing. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna do a little John Travolta staying alive stretching. So, there you go, she's got the motion. You wanna come up here and do it? Okay, so everybody do this. You're gonna first tilt your head over to this side, nice and easy. Now, instead of grabbing your head like we normally are taught and tearing it out, we're gonna do a little John Travolta. You're gonna point 45 degrees this way, and then point 45 degrees this way. The more you want to feel a stretch in your neck, point more. Does that make sense? So let's try it again. So turn your head this way, point this way, this tightens a muscle, and then point this way, and now stretch, breathe in with your belly, and breathe out. And if some of you are lucky to have a nice cushion of fat, like right here, to support your neck, then good for you. I feel all you people with those jawbones, I'm sorry, you got to work on it. All right, let's go the other way. Same thing, tilt your head this way, point 45 degrees this way, and then point 45. And the more that you want to feel a stretch in your neck, keep on pointing. Awesome, just like that. All right, cool. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.